Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix missing chat history sign now on Messenger. So let's start. So first let's go to Messenger. If you don't have your chat history, what you can do it is then let's go to the menu you will find here, and then let's go to settings, and here on settings just scroll down and let's go to the part that says privacy and safety. Just click there and then just scroll down and let's go to end-to-end encrypt chats. Just click here and you will find the option that says message storage. Just click there and then just go to the part that says turn off security storage here, and you can continue, and also you can reset the pin. You can reset it, just write your pin here, and then when you do it just write next and then just write next again, and then just wait a little bit and confirm your pin until this submit, and now you can turn off or turn on your chat, encrypt chat here on your messenger. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.